Welcome back to Cricketbuilt, home of the crickets, and performance installation and tuning. So here I am, finishing up a bunch of things. I want to have my turn signals and high beams and my fuel gauge and stuff going. So this is my, hour or two input here. I got my power probe, I got wiring diagram, I got my notes, I got connectors, I got the heat boy here, and I'm testing one thing at a time and connecting them to the dash, and then we're going to do a little bit of dash setup and show you what I'm working with. All right, I got enough of my pins correct on both ends for left blinker, right blinker. Obviously I have like a bulb issue up there, it's constantly on and fast blinking. And then I put in a little high beamer guy there too. My beams on, blue lights on. A lot of neat stuff. Fuel level coming up next. More wiring. So these wires are broken in the car somewhere. So I just tested them out by shoving them through the whole car. So this is the fuel level resistance and ground wire. So you can see, ta-da, we got the fuel level in there working. I just put that up there for now to test it. And then that's the flex fuel percentage amount. So, doing good. Oh yeah, I got the high beam over here and the blinkies still.